Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and if you are new here, you are absolutely welcome too. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to slick down short 4C natural hair. My hair is not that short, but it's still the same way you slick down short 4C natural hair. So please enjoy this video. Hey, hi again. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is to section my hair into two, just as you are seeing it right now. I'm trying to section it some to the back and some to the front. It's actually pretty hard, especially when your hair is not properly tangled, but I just tried to figure it out, and so I did. So what I'm doing now is just to work out with one section at a time. So I'm working it with the back section now, and so I'm just taking down some sections just as you're seeing it right here. I'm just trying to work with each layer one step at a time, and so I'm just spraying that with my water, just water. You can use a leave-in conditioner, but I don't like the way my gel mixes with my leave-in conditioner. So after spraying that, moisturizing it, I'm just trying to detangle it, and then I'm using my eco styler, and then I'm going to be applying a generous amount onto my hair, just as you're seeing it like now. Okay, now so I'm just using my soft brush to work the gel properly into my hair, so everything is nice and smooth. And so I'm using the same rubber band that I used to pack the one at the front, and then I'm just using it to pack the one at the back, just as you are saying it. Okay, so I'm taking another layer of hair, and then I'm just going to be doing the same thing, moisturizing it, detangling it, and then applying a generous amount of gel so everything can lay nice and smooth, because my goal with this hairstyle is to make sure that everything lays really flat. My hair lays really flat, so that's what I'm doing, applying gel onto my hair, and I'm applying it all over my hair, like all over. Then I'm using this brush to brush everything together, work the gel in properly, and then I'm using the same rubber band to gather everything into a small pony just at the back of my head. So I did basically the same thing for everything at the back section, and so I'm moving to the front section right now. And so for this front section, I'm basically just dividing my hair into two again, and dividing my hair into sections like this make it really easy for me to work with my hair, to make sure that the gel is actually on every part of my hair and my hair really slicks down really flat. Okay, so I'm just sectioning my hair into different parts now, and for this part I'm just sectioning some to the front because I want some a little side swept situation. You get what I'm trying to say? And then I am just going for that to section my hair into another part, just as you are seeing it like that. And so I'm just going to make sure that I put those parts away so that I can work with each section at a time easily. Okay, so now I'm just doing the same thing that I did for my hair at the back section, moisturizing my hair first, detangling it with a white tooth comb, and then applying my gel all over it. And because my hair is because I'm at the front section now, I'm just going to be applying that gel all over my hair from the roots to the tip, so that everything can lie really flat. And you want to do the same thing if your hair is shorter than mine. It's basically the same thing. You just want to ensure that you work with one section at a time, so that when you are done, your hair really lays really flat. As you can see, my hair is already getting really flat, and that's because I worked with one section at a time. And now that I'm done with that other section, I'm just moving to the middle section now, doing the same thing, moisturizing, detangling my hair, and then applying a generous amount of gel. And do not forget, because I am at the front section, I'm going to be applying the gel from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair, just as you are seeing it, so that everything lies really flat. So yeah, I need to say this too, that the reason why I am moisturizing my hair first is because the hair is dry, and when you apply gel to your hair dry like that, you are going to consume more gel. And number two is that your hair might not really lay really flat as you expect it to be, so that water is actually preparing a room for the gel, something like that. And you can also use a leave-in conditioner, but I don't like to use my personal leave-in conditioner with my own gel because it doesn't mix really well. Okay, so now I am at the front section, like the front section, and I'm just applying more gel to it, making sure that that's kind of comes to the side of my head because I'm a little bit bowed at that part that I'm trying to cover. And so I'm just trying to like sweep that hair to the side of my hair, to the side of my head, just as you are seeing it right now. And so I'm just using my bobby pin, big bobby pins, to make sure that the hair that is coming to the side, going to the back, lays really flat too and is intact. And so to lay my edges further, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot gel because I want everything nice and smooth. I want my edges snatched, even though I don't want baby hairs, but I still want my edges looking really good. And so for the pony, I'm just going to be braiding it down and pinning it down because I'm going to be applying, or I'm going to be attaching a small ponytail stuff to it. Okay, so I'm just going to be tying a scarf to lay my hair further and going under a dryer. It is necessary you go under a dryer or you wait for a long time so that your whole hair can dry completely and so you don't get itches in your hair later on. And so I'm just applying this used extension just to make sure that my hair is not just bare like that. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and please do not forget to subscribe and give me a comment, like my video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.